All right, come back.
Come back now.
You did it! Yay! Oh, Knuckles? I'm taking a picture.
Take my picture. Take my picture.
Yay! Good job.
Knuckles.
Knuckles. All right, go that way so you don't get hit by the basketball. Carly, go that way. Go that way. Run down that end. You're welcome. How are you?
Good.
Okay, come here. Come back. There's basketballs now.
I tried to tell her to come back.
All right, I'm taking your picture. Don't worry.
She said, Mommy.
Yay! You did it. Good job.